Hello, today I'm going to show you capacitor from microwave oven. Standard capacitor, but I think it shows strange results from testing. At first I will show you test for continuity. So it's here and you see it's not sounding, meaning it's okay. Let's check it for resistance. I put on maximum 200. And it's coming to 34 mega ohms, which is strange. I thought that it's very useful to check capacity. For that reason we need to change the port and put on and see result. So it shows 0.95 millifarads. If anyone can clarify the situation, is it faulty capacitor or not, just put in comments. Thank you very much.